Good morning, my name is Nolan Regan, and today we're going to go over performing an automatic radar calibration within your Pro 1200 display. Before beginning calibration, the two special tools required to perform this calibration will be a good walk-off wheel or 100-foot tape measure and a can of striping spray paint. Alright folks, once our display is booted up here, we're going to come up to the top right corner and click on the 7 boxes with the arrow pointing upwards. Next, we'll come into Diagnostics and click on Vehicle Diagnostics. Once inside here, we'll click on Calibrations and click on Radar Calibrations. For our purposes today, we are only going to do an automatic radar calibration. Next, we are going to follow the instructions displayed here on screen, making that 328-foot path with the tools I provided earlier. I have gone ahead and pre-marked that. You can see the orange line there is my starting point, and off in the distance I have made another line. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit continue here. Again, following the instructions displayed here on screen. We're going to hit the button on the back of the multifunction handle. And again, following the instructions displayed on screen. I'm going to begin moving towards my start line. And as we said, hit the button when the front tires meet our ending line. We will then hit done. Performing a radar calibration is one of the many calibrations that should be performed on a yearly basis. That way we have an optimal radar speed output. Alrighty folks, you have now successfully completed performing an automatic radar calibration within your Pro 1200 display. For more information over the Pro 1200, please feel free to reach out to your local Berkey's Farm Store to speak to your precision farming specialist.